Can I prevent my iPhones from automatically syncing and save my data from being overwritten?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to tackle an important topic for all iPhone users: how to prevent automatic syncing to save your data from being overwritten. This is an easy process and we will guide you through step by step.
What is automatic syncing?
Automatic syncing is a feature in iPhones that automatically synchronizes your data, like contacts, photos, music, and apps, between your device and iTunes. This feature ensures that your data is always updated, but it can sometimes lead to data being overwritten if you're not careful.
How can I prevent my iPhone from automatically syncing?
To stop your iPhone from automatically syncing, you'll need to adjust some settings in iTunes or Finder if you are using macOS Catalina or later. Here are the steps to do that. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. 2. Click on the device icon at the top left corner in iTunes or in the sidebar in Finder. 3. Once you are on the device summary page, uncheck the box next to Automatically Sync when this iPhone is connected. 4. Click Apply at the bottom right to save the changes. By doing this, your iPhone will no longer sync automatically whenever it is connected to your computer.
How can I back up my data without overwriting it?
Even with automatic syncing turned off, you might still be concerned about your data being overwritten during a manual sync. To prevent this, create an archived backup of your iPhone. This backup won't be overwritten by subsequent backups. Here's how to create an archived backup. 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. 2. Click on the device icon at the top left corner in iTunes or in the sidebar in Finder. 3. Under the Backups section, choose This Computer and then click Backup Now. 4. Once the backup is complete, go to iTunes Preferences or Finder Settings. 5. Under the Devices tab, you'll see a list of backups. Right-click on the backup you just created and choose Archive. Archived backups are useful if you ever need to restore your device to a previous state. And that's it. You now know how to prevent your iPhone from automatically syncing and how to protect your data from being overwritten. It's all about taking control of your settings and making sure you're making regular, archived backups of your device. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.